messed up again.
At least he's alive. Look, let's focus on our bigger properties. If he's really the lightning thief, then... You don't look tough enough to kill a Minotaur.
Hello?
You drool when you sleep. Wipe your mouth.
Ow! Percy, I'm sure glad you're alive, or I would have been in worse trouble.
Where am I? What is this place?
The infirmary. You've been unconscious for 3 days.
3 days?
Here, drink this. It'll make you feel better.
Oh my God, this is amazing. What is this stuff?
Nectar. It's the food of the gods. So are you ready for a fight? See you on the battlefield, hero.
Okay. See you on the battlefield. Who is she?
Annabeth, daughter of Athena, goddess of wisdom. She's the one who put them in here.